Hello and welcome. Are you ready to unlock the secret to smart investing and creating long-term wealth? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore what is SIP and its benefits and how to get started. Let's get ready to transform your financial future. So, what is SIP? Think of it like buying groceries monthly. Just as you get fresh supplies, discounts, and can budget your expenses, SIP enables you to build a disciplined investment habit, grow your wealth over time, and achieve your long-term financial objectives. Simply put, SIP or systematic investment plan is a smart and powerful way to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, usually monthly or quarterly, into a mutual fund scheme. Let's explore the benefits in more detail. Now, let's talk about the benefits of SIP. With SIP, you can invest small amounts regularly, making it easy on your pocket. You can reduce timing risks as you're investing at different market levels, and you can create discipline in your investment habit. Moreover, you can also benefit from rupee cost averaging. Let's consider an example to illustrate rupee cost averaging. Suppose you invest rupees 5,000 every month in a mutual fund scheme. After 6 months, you've invested rupees 30,000 and purchased 602 units. Your average cost per unit is rupees 49.83, which is rupees 30,000 divided by 602 units. When NAV is low, in month 2, you get more units, that is 111. When NAV is high, which is month 3, you get fewer units, that is 91. Over time, your average cost per unit will be lower, reducing the impact of market volatility. Let's dive in and see how SIP works. Here's an exciting example. Invest rupees 5,000 every month in a mutual fund scheme. The mutual fund invests your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Over time, your investments grow, potentially generating returns. Redeem your units or continue investing to achieve your long-term financial goals. And get ready to transform your finances with SIP. Why is it important to start investing early through SIP? When you start early, your investments have more time to grow, resulting in a larger corpus. Let's see this example. Assume you start investing rupees 10,000 per month at the age of 25. Your friend starts investing the same amount at the age of 35. Assuming a 12% annual return, who do you think will have a larger corpus at the age of 60? It's you, by just starting 10 years earlier. This is the cost of delay. Every year you delay investing, you're missing out on potential returns. The answer lies in the power of compounding. This formula shows how your investments can grow exponentially over time, making it essential to start early and be consistent. N is what investors ignore, and R is what investors focus on. So, start early, be consistent, and let the power of compounding work in your favor. So, how do you get started with SIP? Engage with experts like Dhanashree Wealth Private Limited to select the right mutual fund scheme based on your risk profile and financial goal, create a personalized investment plan, and help you achieve your financial goals. Start investing wisely with SIP. By incorporating SIP into your financial journey, you'll be taking a significant step towards achieving your financial goals. Whether it's buying your dream home, funding your child's education, or retiring comfortably, SIP can help you get there. Do you know you can top up your SIP just like adding cherries to your ice cream? Join us in our next video to learn more about SIP top-ups and how they can boost your investment returns. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy investing!